Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech G502 X Plus. In this video I'll show you how to connect it with app. In the beginning, make sure that your mouse is connected with your PC via cable or wirelessly. Next, let's go to browser and search for Logitech G HUB. Download Logitech G HUB for Windows or for macOS and install the app. Install. Then open the app. And as you can see, your mouse will be automatically recognized by the app. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.